Welcome students. In this class, I will be discussing about Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Now, what is this Nazism? It is a concept related with a political party, that is Nazi party. And the leader of this party was Hitler, Adolf Hitler. Now, what were the conditions? What was the situation of Germany that gave birth to this concept Nazism and the birth of Hitler? What was the situation of Germany? What was the condition? What was the political condition of Germany that gave birth to Adolf Hitler? So, to know that, we need to go from where the problem started. Birth of the Weimar Republic. How it happened. Germany, a powerful empire in the early of 20th century, fought the First World War alongside with Austrian Empire. Remember Germany, when they were part of this war, Germany was an empire, not a democratic country. Remember, an empire was there, emperor was there. So they fought against the allies, England, France and Russia. Little did the people of Germany realize that the war would stretch for such a long time. What happened? Eventually drained Europe of all its resources because war cost. To fight a war you need money. So what happened because of this war? Drained all its resources. All the resources of Europe was drained due to the war. The Allies, they became more strong when United States entered the war, when they joined the war. So what was the consequence of United States joining the war? The Germans were defeated and the power of the German Empire was removed. So there was an opportunity to form a parliamentary form of government, parliamentary form of politics in Germany by removing the emperor. A national assembly met at Weimar and established a democratic constitution with a federal structure. So after the defeat in the World War, emperor was abdicated, he was removed and a political party, a political institution was set up in Germany. Where it was? It was in Weimar. Democratic constitution with federal structure. Remember this. Deputies were now elected to German parliament. German parliament is also known as Reichstag. Remember this. German parliament or Reichstag. On the basis of equal and universal vote cast by all the adults including women. So full form of democratic system was set up in Germany after abdicating the emperor. This republic, however, was not received well by its own people, largely because of certain terms and conditions. You see, what were the terms and conditions? Weimar Republic was forced to accept terms after German defeat at the end of First World War. There was a peace treaty at Versailles with Allies and they treated very badly. They treated the Germans very badly. Humiliating, harsh and humiliating treatment. Why? Because German lost its overseas colonies. That means all the colonies that were in other parts of world, they have to give it back to the Allies. A third of its population, 13% of its territories was there. 75% of iron and 26% of its coals to France, Poland, Denmark and Lithuania. This all they had to give it back to the Allies. The Allied power also dematerialized German to weaken its power. So the German army was made weaker. The war guilt, that means guilty. The war guilt held German responsible for the war and damages. The allied countries suffered. So German was forced to pay compensation because of this war guilt done by Germany. How much was the amount? 6 billion. So the Allied army also occupied the resource-rich Rhineland for much of 1920s. That means the Allied armies also occupied the resource area full of rich resources, Rhineland. So all these things made the people of German that the Weimar Republic is responsible for this, for all this loss of the German nation. So many Germans held the new Weimar Republic responsible for not only the defeat in the war but the disgrace at Versailles against the Allied. Now, what is the effect of the war? The war had a devastating effect on the entire continent, both physically, psychologically, and financially. From a continent of creditors, Europe turned into a debtors. उधार में. That means Europe turned into a debtors. उधार ज़्यादा बढ़ गया यूरोप का. Unfortunately, the infant, that means new Weimar Republic, was being made to pay for all the sins that is done by the old empire. The Republic carried the burden of war guilt and national humiliation and was financially crippled by being forced to pay compensation. So all this guilt that was actually done by the emperor, but the Weimar Republic has to face this, and they had to pay all this financial burden compensation to the Allied forces. Now, who supported this Weimar Republic? Socialists, Catholic, Democrats. Those who supported, they were also termed as November criminals. The Weimar Republic, the people who supported the Weimar Republic, they were termed as November criminals. So they become easy target of the conservative nationalist circle. So the First World War left a deep imprint on the European society and polity. European society and politics was deeply impacted by this First World War, remember. Soldiers came to be placed above civilians. Politicians and public laid great stress on the need for men to be aggressive, strong and masculine. The media also glorified trans life. So what happened at the First World War? Soldiers were termed as more heroic. They were above civilians, public, general people. And the politician also began to feel that man should be more aggressive, more strong, more masculine. And the media also glorified the army life. But in reality, the truth was, however, soldiers lived miserable lives in the trenches. Trenches means the bunkers and all. Trapped with rats feeding on corpses, they faced poisonous gases and enemy shelling and witnessed their rank reduce rapidly. Aggressive war propaganda and national honor occupied center stage in public spheres. That means war. Those who are related with war. Okay. And the propaganda of the war got the main point. Were discussed more at that period. Popular support grew for conservatives. That means the conservatives actually were the people who supported the traditional system. That means they supported the monarchical type of system. So these conservatives became more strong because of this defect of the Weimar Republic, defect of the situation that happened in Germany. And at that period, the democracy was also very new and very weak, and it was not stable. So this was the political social condition of Germany at that time.